In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about one of the most profitable niches on Instagram to grow your account with using Jarvee. Now, I'm going to be talking to you about why this niche is so incredibly profitable. I'm going to be talking to you about how you can grow your account, and then I'm also going to be showing you how you can make money off this account once you've grown it using Jarvee. Alright guys, enjoy the video and don't forget, scroll down right now and subscribe to the Cash Kreator. Enjoy. What is going on guys? The Cash Kreator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you about one of the most profitable niches on Instagram that you can use to grow your account with on Jarvee. So if you're looking to grow an account on Jarvee and you're looking for what kind of niche will make you the most money, this is the niche for you. Beauty and makeup. Since 2019, this industry, the beauty industry, is worth $532 billion. Think about that. That's a huge total. $532 billion. That's more than probably the top 20 richest people in the world, and more. Much more than that. It's a huge industry, and we need to profit from it. So I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to do that. Alright? So first things first, what I'm going to be talking to you guys about is why it's profitable. I already described it in a nutshell. It's a huge industry, so there's a lot of people interested in it. There's a lot of people that you can make money off because they're already buying products in the beauty industry. There's loads of girls and even men, you know, makeup artists that are men. They're buying all these products to beautify other people or themselves, and it's a huge industry. So for that reason, we know that we can make money in it because there's so much money. It's like a gold mine, so it's there to be exploited. So now that we know that this industry is so huge and that we can profit from it, let's think about why this Instagram account that we're going to be using Jarvee in the makeup and beauty niche will grow. Why will it grow? Okay, so first things first, this page already that I have open in front of you, okay, look at it. So makeup is a completely about makeup, you know, different kind of makeup looks. As you can see, if I scroll down, okay, look at this picture. Let's see it. It only got posted an hour ago. There's already 24,635 likes, and if I refresh it, I'm willing to bet there's a lot more. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh this real quick and let's see how many likes there is. There was originally 24,635. Now there's another 20 likes in the space of 10 seconds. So as you can see, there's a huge amount of engagement on these kind of posts. I think also that's to do with, from a psychological point of view, I noticed a lot of women love to support each other. There's a lot of love in the female community, and if they see a nice picture of each other, they love to compliment each other. Hey girl, looking good, amazing, looking fly, whatever. And obviously makeup is a female dominated industry, so we'll be getting a lot of comments, a lot of likes on our makeup posts, and a lot of engagement, and therefore our posts are more likely to go viral, and therefore we're going to get more and more followers. Okay, so even if you don't know a lot about makeup, you can just when you're running an account on Jarvee, you can use the campaign tool to take content from other pages and then post it yourself. Okay, so you don't even need to know about makeup. So if you're a man, if you're a male, don't worry. Okay, you can still use this niche. And another further evidence about why this account will grow is, look at this. The evidence is in front of you. Wake Up and Makeup, 11.6 million followers. That's more than a huge amount of sports stars. Okay, and as I said, this industry is over $500 billion, so we know we can profit from it, and we know makeup accounts do grow because the evidence is right in front of you. Okay, all these followers on this account and all these likes and comments, engagement, so our account is going to grow. So now that we know that, what I'm going to be teaching you guys is, once you do get a makeup account, let's say you have 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers or more, and you're using Jarvee to get these followers, so you're following people that are interested in this niche. It's not random people, you're following females with that account using the follow and unfollow tool, okay, on Jarvee, to follow these people, and therefore you know that they're interested in makeup because they're following similar pages, okay, to yours, and therefore you know, when you follow them and they look at your page, they follow you back, you know they're interested in your stuff. All right, so you know they're interested in makeup. So now we already have, let's say, 5,000 people, or however many people. We have that many people that are interested in makeup. So all we need to do is sell them products. That's all we need to do, and it's very, very simple. So the first things first, this is the easiest thing that you can do to make money off these people, is affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is, for example, if I have a product, okay, and I'm trying to sell that product, but I don't have the right connections, okay? So you, for example, the person watching this video, has a makeup page, okay? I'm selling makeup, but I don't have the connections. You have a makeup page on Instagram with 5,000 followers, so you know all your clients are interested in makeup. So if, for example, you sell my product, okay, you will get a commission. That's basically how affiliate marketing works, okay? You get a commission for selling my product, and therefore obviously my profit decreases, but I still have a new customer, okay? So that's how affiliate marketing works. And let's go on a website called ClickBank. ClickBank is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can look at products to promote. So you just search a product, you can find loads and loads of makeup related products over here. As you can see, I just googled it, makeup, okay? And as you can see, there are a huge amount of products that you can promote. Okay, you scroll down, all these products, okay, they're all makeup related. So I'm going to click on this one. Actually, I've already clicked on it, but basically what this product is a makeup remover, okay? It's a revolutionary piece of fabric that can wipe away your entire makeup with only water, okay? So I'm going to Google this, I'm going to play this video just to show you the kind of products that are on the
See this
affiliate
makeup remover
marketplace.
towel that puts all other competitors to shame. I promise, you have never seen anything like this before. Not only does it remove makeup with only water, it also acts as a gentle cleanser and exfoliant that leaves your skin naturally radiant and healthy. And today, you can receive 30% off your order if you purchase with us. You've probably heard of the microfiber towels, right? These average cloths are made up of fibers that are only about 1/5 the diameter of human hair. But with the Nano Towel Makeup Remover, it is a total game changer. These nanolon fibers are hundreds of times thinner than human hair.
You guys get the idea, but this is basically a makeup product, okay, that you can sell, okay? And if you go on the affiliate page, as you can see, you can earn 30% commissions, okay, on this product. So they already have information on the product, okay? If I scroll down over here, as you can see, the product is only $11.95, and you guys, if you sell this product, okay, so if you what affiliate marketing is that, you know, I contact this company, I create an affiliate login, they provide me with a link, okay, and then I go on my Instagram account with my makeup page, I put that link in my bio, okay, and that's my affiliate link. It takes them to this page over here, okay, a page like this where it talks about the product, and if they buy the product through your link, you get 30% commission, okay? So let's do a really crude calculation really quickly. So you'll get around $4, okay? So 30% of that is approximately $4. So you get $4 from every single sale. So if someone buys this, you get $4. It's that simple. It's very easy. It's one of the easiest ways you can make money, because you already know your clients, you know your people who are following your page are interested in makeup, so you just sell them products through affiliate marketing, okay? The next thing that you can do is drop shipping. So drop shipping is basically, you know, you can open up an online store online, and it could be a cosmetic store, it could be a sports store, it could be about, you know, football clothes, or, you know, electronics, or anything. But for example, if we set up a drop shipping store with makeup that was makeup related, all we have to do is we find these products on Alibaba, which is a Chinese wholesaler, and as you can see, I searched makeup on Alibaba, and there's a huge array of products that are very cheap, okay? They're incredibly cheap, as you can see here, because makeup is rather expensive, and then you can sell them more expensive on your dropshipping store, okay? Obviously, I understand that people want to, you know, buy the best products, whether it's, you know, MAC or Huda Beauty or whatever, I don't know. I'm not into makeup, but what I can tell you is, you know, if you have a drop shipping store, it looks classy and stuff. There's, you know, quite a smooth layout. Like this one, for example, this was created on Shopify. It's a drop shipping store. Okay. Well, it's not I'm not sure if it's drop shipping, but it's created using Shopify. This is the same thing website that we're going to be using, Shopify. So it allows you to easily create an online store. As you can see over here, if it's a classy website, it doesn't matter what kind of products you have. If they're good products that you're buying cheap from China, and you can sell them for a bigger profit and make a huge amount of money. So that's the second thing you can do. First thing, affiliate marketing. Second thing is drop shipping, okay, an online store, and then selling stuff to your customers. Now the third thing that you can do is pretty much for anything, okay, but it's basically promotions. It could be any Instagram niche. It doesn't have to be beauty, but you know, people that want to be on your page. So if you have 5,000 followers or 10,000, that's quite a lot of followers. So you have a lot of people seeing your product. So people, you know, people will be looking at your content. A lot of people. You know, look at this page. It has 11 million followers, so huge amounts of people are going to be looking at their posts. So people will pay you to post on their behalf. So for example, you know, if I'm whatever elf, ELF, you know, I'm these people, I could pay this page, you know, to talk about my product, to promote my product, to make a post on some of our products, and obviously a huge amount of people will see it. They'll click on our website and we'll get sales. So people will pay you a hell of a lot of money to promote their stuff. I promise you that. Okay, guys, so that's the third way that you guys can make money in the makeup niche. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, let me remind you guys, if you want to see more Jarvee and Instagram related videos or how you can make money online, I want you to scroll down right now and subscribe. Don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and share with all your friends so we can grow more and more and more. Take it easy, guys. Peace out.